Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up Google My Business and optimizing it for local SEO. By following these steps, you can improve your online visibility and help your business get found by potential customers in your area. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Go to the Google account creation page, fill in your details, and follow the prompts to finalize your account setup. Step 2. Go to Google My Business. Once your Google account is ready, navigate to the Google My Business homepage. Here, you will see an option to Manage Now. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 3. Enter your business name. Input the name of your business. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears in real life to ensure consistency across all platforms. If your business doesn't show up, you'll have the option to create a new listing. Step 4. Choose your business category. Select the most appropriate category for your business. This helps Google understand what your business does and ensures you appear in relevant searches. Be specific to reach your target audience effectively. Step 5. Add your location. If you have a physical storefront, enter your address. If you serve customers at their locations or operate online, you can choose the option to hide your address and indicate your service areas instead. Step 6. Enter your contact information. Provide your business phone number and website URL. If you don't have a website, you can use the option to create a free Google website from your business listing. Step 7. Verify your business. To verify your business, Google will send you a postcard to the address you provided. This postcard will have a verification code that you must enter into your Google My Business account to confirm your ownership. Step 8. Optimize your profile. Once your business is verified, it's time to optimize your profile. Add high-quality images of your business, products, or services. Make sure to fill out all the relevant fields, including hours of operation and business description, as complete profiles perform better in search results. Step 9. Collect customer reviews. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on your Google My Business page. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, as this shows potential customers that you value their feedback and are engaged. Step 10. Monitor insights. Google My Business provides valuable insights about how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and more. Regularly review these insights to understand your audience better and make improvements as necessary. By following these steps, you will set up your Google My Business profile effectively, enhancing your local SEO efforts and increasing your visibility online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your business online.